Your prompt worked yesterday. How do you know it still works today? I built PromptProbe to answer that. You define prompt test suites in YAML inputs, expected outputs, and pass conditions, then run them against Claude or GPT. The CLI diffs results across model versions and flags regressions before they hit production. No server, no dashboard, just a local evaluation loop that runs in CI. Setup is one pip install. Point it at a YAML suite file, set your API key, and run PromptProbe eval. It prints a pass/fail table per test case and exits non-zero on regression, so your CI pipeline catches prompt drift automatically. This project was built by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Planning, coding, and testing handled end-to-end without manual intervention. Code and docs are on GitHub at ritikpaddle/PromptProbe. If you're shipping LLM features without a regression harness, this is the starting point.